Hi, my name is Felipe Mib. I'm filmmaker, screenwriter, and producer, and now teacher here at the IED Rio on the course Pocket Cinema. What inspired me on Pocket Cinema and on my job is trying to share the knowledge about smartphones as a main creative tool. You can use your smartphone not only to play Candy Crush or something like that. You can use your smartphone to create a full, entire movie from scratch. At the Pocket Cinema course here at the IED Rio, you're going to spend your summer learning how to do a screenwriting only using your smartphone. You're never going to use a computer to write anything or to develop your idea. Then you're going to learn the best way to shoot using only your smartphone without any other accessories, editing, sound design, and last but not least, how to upload it to internet for Vimeo or YouTube to create a broader audience. That's the smartest way to use the best camera. Why the best camera? Because it's the camera that's always with you, everywhere, every time.